Dribbling. Dribbling is the controlled movement of the ball to evade opponents and create scoring or passing opportunities. Types of dribbling. Control dribble. Speed dribble. Crossover dribble. Behind the back dribble. Between the legs dribble. Dynamic dribble. Passing. Passing is the transferring the ball to a teammate to maintain position, advance play, or create opportunities. Bounce pass. Chest pass. Overhead pass. Push pass. Shooting. Shooting is the act of striking or throwing the ball toward the goal to score points. Types of shooting. Jump shot. Layup or reverse layup. Hook shot. Set shot. Floater or teardrop. The basic elements of basketball.